Hello friends, today we are going to unbox my first bundle of joy by 𝐅𝐎𝐻. So these bundles have two themes, my life and my world. In both these themes you get 10 board books, 2 charts, 1 rhyming book and 1 fun activity workbook. So this box is also very sturdy. Parents can use this for storage as well. In other similar products you only get 10 board books. But in this bundle, you're getting 2 charts, a rhyming book and an activity workbook. So these bundles, they're designed on the philosophy of learn, recall and relate. For example, you will teach your child body parts using this board book. Then you can paste this chart on the wall and this will be helpful for your child to recall. He can refer to what he has learned in the chart. And finally, in the rhyming book, he will be able to relate to what he has learned using the fun poems. Same with the activity workbook. So this philosophy helps your child get a holistic learning and also develops important skills in your child.